In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in Xero. We'll walk through creating a tailored account transactions report, narrowing it to the account and date range you care about, and then saving it so you can reuse it anytime without resetting filters. This is perfect for recurring reviews, reconciliations, or sharing a consistent view with your team. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the reporting area in the top navigation. This takes you into Xero's reporting hub. From here, choose All Reports. This view shows the full library, which makes it easier to find exactly what you need, rather than relying on shortcuts or recent items. Locate the Account Transactions report and open it. This report lists every transaction line by line for a selected account, making it ideal for detailed reviews, audit trails, and month-end checks. If you have a lot of reports, use the search bar to quickly find it. Once the report opens, choose the account you want to analyze. Use the account dropdown to pick a bank account, revenue account, expense account, or any general ledger account you want to inspect. If your chart of accounts is long, start typing the account name to filter the list and reduce errors from selecting similarly named accounts. Next, set the date range. Choose a preset like last month or year to date, or specify a custom start and end date to match your reporting period exactly. This step ensures your report lines up with your close process or the period you're reviewing. Click Update to refresh the report using your chosen account and dates. This is an easy step to miss, and without it, you'll still be looking at the old criteria, so make sure to update before saving. Now that the report shows the right data, click Save As. This lets you store your selections for future use, so you don't have to repeat the filtering every time. Choose Custom. Selecting the Custom Us option creates your own version of the report, separate from the standard template, and places it in your custom reports list for quick access. Give your report a clear, descriptive name. A helpful approach is to include the account name and the time frame. For example, account transactions, operating expenses, monthly. Avoid including any sensitive or personal details in the name. Finally, click Save. Your custom report is now ready and will appear under your custom reports. The next time you need the same view, open it from there. Adjust the date range if needed. Click Update and you're set. That's all it takes to create and save a custom account transactions report in Xero.